using RPA to automate the property management renewal process. There are so many different processes that RPA can impact within this industry, and the property management renewal process is just one we are finding to be very beneficial. Take a look at how it works. RPA saves property management companies so much time, energy, and money when it comes to the rental renewal process. First, the bot logs in with the credentials and goes to the reports page. Then, it downloads the rent roll as well as the tenant directory. The bot then filters for accurate data in search of upcoming or outstanding renewals. Once the bot creates all the renewals, it will then activate the DocuSign application, and that will then be sent out to all of the tenants that need to renew their lease. The bot will update an Excel log file to give status regarding each tenant's renewal process. RPA saves so much time, with 80% of this renewal process now being automated. By using automation, now more time can be used to improve the quality of customer service for each tenant. See how RPA can impact your day.